What you're looking at right now is one of my craziest trading flip. In just a few trades, a small account was turned into this. But here's the truth, most trading videos won't tell you. This wasn't luck, and it wasn't some complicated strategy either. In fact, the method behind this flip is surprisingly simple. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to start day trading in 2026 using the same tools professional traders use. And later in this video, I'll break down the trade that helped me create these flips. If you're new here, my name is TopFX, and on this channel, I share trading knowledge, strategies, and market insight to help you become a better trader. If you want to learn how to trade smarter, consider liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and turn on post notification so you get notified anytime we posting amazing content like this. Let's get straight into it. Before we talk about strategy, we need to address something very important. Most beginner traders lose money when they start trading, not because trading is impossible, but because they start with the wrong mindset. They watch video promising overnight profits, they jump into trade without a plan, and they risk too much on a single trade. Successful trading is actually more simpler than people make it look. The key is understanding how the market moves and using the right tools. Let's start with the 4 tools every beginner needs. First, you need a mobile device that has access to the internet. Secondly, a chatting platform. Thirdly, a trading platform. And fourthly, a reliable broker. For chart analysis, one of the most popular platform traders use is Trading. TradingView allows you to analyze price movements, draw support and resistance levels, and study the markets in detail. Next, you need a trading platform where you can actually execute your trades. One of the most widely used trading platform in the world is MetaTrader. So we have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader allows you to buy and sell markets like Forex, gold, and indices directly from your phone or computer. But to access the market, you also need a broker. Basically, a broker acts as the bridge between you and the financial market. If you're serious about trading, you need a broker that gives you the edge, and that's exactly what TopFX delivers. First up, ultra low trading costs. With TopFX, you will never pay deposit or withdrawal fees, so you keep more of your profits. Plus, spreads are highly competitive, starting from 0.0 pips on zero and pro accounts, and just 1.2 pips on the commission-free growth accounts. Next, let's talk about execution. Every trade runs through a fully automated no dealing desk model, meaning no artificial slippage or quotes. Most orders are processed in under 30 to 40 milliseconds, giving you institutional grade speed that serious traders rely on. But that's not all. TopFX offers massive product diversity. Over 600 instruments are available, from 80 plus Forex pairs to shares to indices, metals, energy, crypto, and EFTs. And if you're looking for something truly unique, you will love the exclusive 24/7 synthetic indices like BloomX, CrashX, and Volatility CFDs on cTrader. Constant volatility anytime without worrying about market news. Your trading style is your choice. TopFX supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader. Perfect for manual trading, copy trading, algorithmic strategies, or even fixed API integration, and leverage flexible up to 1:2000 depending on your account type and region. Finally, your funds are secure. Client money is held in segregated accounts with reputable banks, and accounts are protected with navigative balance protection so you can trade confidently. Are you ready to take your trading journey to the next level? Don't wait. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description below and create a live account and start trading today and experience TopFX for yourself. If you find value in this video, do well to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified anytime we posting content like this. Peace and goodbye.